Alright, in this video I'm going to be talking about the new chat module. So we recently had an update where we redid our whole chat module. So you'll see I'm logged in here, or I'm not logged in, I'm actually accessing the Viking demo site. And I'm at this /1/chat. Now I can go ahead and type in /district/chat, but it's essentially the same thing. I'm accessing this chat module as I would any other module in Cyberschool. So I'm going to get logged in here. And before I do though, I just want to make notice that you are seeing correct. There are two different screens here. This first one is, or this right one here is my first screen. It's on Google Chrome. And this left one here, oh, goodness, I'm sorry. This left one is Google Chrome, and this right one is actually in Firefox. And I did that because I want to show you that even though I'm updating in Google Chrome, it's still going to update in Firefox all the same. So let me go ahead and get logged in here. And for Google Chrome, I'm gonna log into my Alex Avila admin profile. All right, so we have just a neat little chat window up here, and we'll dissect this in a moment. I just want to log into a non-admin for Firefox. Let's see, let's log into just test user there. All right, so this is the non-admin look. Essentially, people who are admins will be seeing the subscribers, etc. Yes, it does work for subscribers as well. So let's start dissecting this and seeing what each thing does here. So here we have edit blocked users. So let's go ahead and go into that and take a look. So this isn't necessarily blocking people from using the module. This is just in the event that, I'm being harassed by someone or there's just somebody I don't want to talk to, I can block them from sending chat messages to me. So this test user on this right-hand side, for example, I can type in test and there's a bunch of different people come up, but it's going to be this test user here and you'll see a little user icon. Now I want to show you something. When I type in Alex, my Alex Avila profile doesn't come up. Alex Test is another non-admin profile I have. But we also have this Alex Avila with little Wi-Fi icon. So what does that Wi-Fi icon mean? That means that profile is actually a subscriber profile. And so essentially people who are subscribed to your site can access this and maybe they can send messages. Maybe you allow them to send messages. That's perfectly fine as well. So I'm not actually going to block anybody. I'm going to exit out of this here. And that was editing blocked users. The other option here is module settings. And here was it's going to say widget settings. Just ignore that. Essentially what's going on here is I'm allowing for certain things like allow emojis. That allows me to actually access this little emoji button here. And I can just, click this little emoji and you see the little emoji pops up there. You could do like little smiley faces. This little tree one is things like, the moon and clouds, weather. There's a food one, just like you would on your cell phone. Different types of emojis, even flags are available as well. So that allow emojis allows me to actually, access that emoji there. Now the same does not work if I type in colon close parenthesis, which is, the text interpretation of an emoji there. It's not actually going to render an emoji. It's gonna show just like it's showing here. There's also allow files, which actually allows me to click this little file button here. Oops, I have to select a chat first. Let's go to district updates and send our first one. So I can go ahead and upload a new file here. And let's just take this, placing a video on your site from Google Drive there. All right, so let me go ahead and click that. All right. So a lot of things, or quite a few things happen there. First thing we're seeing is this placing a video on your site from Google Drive there. In Chrome, I can click that and it'll download for me. Those are just my Chrome settings. You can change your settings, your browser settings, so that instead this opens up in another tab. But over on the Firefox side, look what we're seeing here. A little red one there to tell me that there's an update to that district updates one. So something interesting is happening here. And I don't know if you noticed, but I can't send anything to this district updates. And the reason for that is because I'm not an admin here. So as a non-admin, you cannot actually send to this district updates one. You can only view what is being sent there. So you see, if I click this little file there, it opens it up in a new tab, and I can view the contents of that PDF there. Okay, so that was the allow files. Next is allow subscribers to create groups. So this just goes back to This just goes back to essentially, subscribers being able to access this chat module as well. This will just allow them to create groups, and we'll discuss creating groups later. Allow subscribers to chat with other subscribers. This is actually a pretty controversial option here. If you want your parents to be able to chat with each other through this chat module, that's available to you as well. The can block users. What that is allowing this edit blocked users to be used essentially by everybody. And then can mute chat. So there's a way for you to actually, let me select this site, Mike, and Alex one here. And I can mute that chat so I'll stop receiving notifications about it. That's all that can mute chat means. Now, restrict users for admins, it's going to look exactly the same as edit blocked users, but this is going to go deeper than just blocking them from messaging me. This is going to prevent a user from accessing this chat module altogether. So whomever I place into this list that I have here will not be able to access this chat module at all. So let's go ahead and discuss, actually setting up this chat or actually getting this chat going. So naturally, if you want to just go into district updates and start typing stuff away, saying hello district people and click enter, you're going to see hello district people populate, and there's hello district people there. So that's just a standard chat that goes out. But let's say I want to instant message people. Look, there's Mike Diaz's profile messaging me back and district updates. But if I want to go further and say I want to send Mike a direct message, I'm going to click this chat button, and it's going to open up a new chat. And I could say, hey Mike, and that gets sent off as hey Mike. And let's see if he's going to respond. Mm, all right, let's give him some time to respond first. Let's go a little deeper here. This green button here is going to start a group chat. Oh, so now we have hello Alex back from Mike. Fantastic. So this little green button here is going to allow me to actually start a group chat, which is that site and Mike and Alex there. So let me go ahead and start a group chat. So I'm going to search for, let's say, I want to add Mike since Mike's apparently on. And I want to add this test user also. Test user right here. Let's create that group. And I'm going to go ahead and um, move down and just access this one. I believe I can. Okay. All right. So here's test and Mike. And I'm going to type in, hey guys, hit enter. And now you'll see I have Alex and Mike there. And I'm just going to respond on this Firefox side. And it comes back on the actual Chrome side as well. So just because I started a group chat with just these two people doesn't mean I can't add more people. I can go ahead and click this little green plus sign here and add more people to this chat there. All right, so this is the admin side of it. The last thing is load all chats there, where I can actually view every single chat room that is available. Yes, chat room. So here we're seeing there's one for me and Mike. There's one with the Mike and Alex together, which is essentially mine. There's test and Mike, site and Mike, and Alex. Admin and site. Let's go ahead and see if I can start one with Mike on the Firefox side, the not admin profile. And I'm just gonna say hello. And then if I load all chats, I should see test and Mike right there. Is that test and Mike? No, wait. That is actually. Let me go and refresh this. All right. Let's load all chats. Admin and site and Mike and test. There we go. And that's the one that was sent over on this Firefox side. So admins are able to actually view every single chat room. So I would definitely watch what you say about certain people if you're going to be talking about certain people in your chat room there. But essentially, this is how the chat module works. Admins or non-admins have less freedom in regards to what they can do. You can DM other people, you can create group chats, but that's about it. I mean, you can still utilize the files, you can still utilize the emoticons, but as far as, posting to this district one here, I can't really do that. But essentially, this is how the chat works. It's really just mainly used for direct messaging if you want to just talk to people. It's available to subscribers again, and the reason for that is if your subscribers want to just find out what's going on in the district, you can just go ahead and put a post up here saying like we'll be having an early out next Wednesday, and I'll just put in parentheses test message so that Mike knows that we're actually not going to have an early out next Wednesday. So that people, subscribers mainly, but people in your community can log into this chat also and view that message and say, oh, okay, so next Wednesday my child will be released early. And that's mainly what this is used for, is getting more in tune with the community and being able to actually, communicate with each other through Cyberschool. I can, start a new chat with, let's type in test here. Let's say test admin, and I can ask him, did you change my department homepage? All right. So that's essentially how chat works. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Give us a contact. If you run into any issues, again, let us know. Not necessarily to this chat module, it doesn't work that way. But you can always call us, email us, live chat with us, and you guys have yourselves a great day.